Scratch and you want to know how to make a trail of the character, I will tell you how. Bring event tab here and bring the forever, and from here for motions bring if then, sensing, pressing key, or duplicate this. In here we'll use up arrow, down arrow, left right arrow, and then left arrow. Then as we did before, move change X into the right and left, change Y up and down. So Y up is 10, down is -10, right is 10, left is -10. There we go, we've got a moving sprite. And to make trails we have to duplicate this. We have to make its clone. So create this clone, then when you move it'll keep doing like this. But I don't want something like this. I want it to be hidden when it starts. Okay, let's start. So when I start as a clone, delete this clone. Set change ghost effect by 10 and repeat this 5 times. 10 times, yes, 10 times bit better. And then put this, it'll be like this. Its colors keep changing. But I also want the color, not the color, it should be hidden. So duplicate this and then change it to the ghost effect. Then it'll be gone after a few seconds. You see here? It looks very good. If you want it to be hidden a little bit less, then change it to 20, 5, 5. Then as you see here, it'll be hidden slowly. So what if you want another trail to be appear? So in this case we have this price clone, but I want another. So let's see, let's make just use heart. I want this to be hidden. When the green flag is clicked, hide, and then it should be forever in place of sprite 1, in this case our cat. Then it will always be here, it will be here. So just delete this. I will just move this, drag and drop to the sprite, and it will be copy and paste. So here, and create clone of myself, and then when it's duplicated is when it's the clone is start, we show it, and as you see it will go straight here. Wait, but it appears in front of them. So in this case, as we talked about this block, we'll use layer block. Set go backward 1 layer. Every time we start, it'll be like this. But it's too big, so I will set size to like 20. So it'll appear like this. Not 20, 50. As you see here, heart appears in right before them, so it looks like better. It looks better. Now we're going to create a shooting game. To make a shooting game, you need a gun, a character, and a mouse pointer. Yeah, it's easy. First we are going to costumes, and then we are going to change it So I want this to be better. So head will be separate, so duplicate it, and then delete head and arms, and then here delete the bodies, and put it here, and put this. It's like a gun. It's like a person shooting a gun. Okay, do it right here. And for the body, we're going to rotate it a bit and set it like this. As you see, it looks better, but it's a bit strange. So click this and you can move it. So I will select these things. Move this a little bit back, and this also a little bit here, and then have it here. Then change it to direction. Yeah, I think this is enough. And then bring this, I'm going to bring this forward. Yes, I can change them. I can hide the worst one and bring it here a bit. Then now we've got a nice cat. So this is enough. We're not a pro, so we'll use this. And then here we're going to make a gun, just an easy gun. Bring not here, let's Scratch-2. Let's bring a square, set it the color to black, or another gun, another here, and then bring it here, and then bring another one here, and then just going to again going to bring this here, and then we're going to enlarge this one here, and then bring another square here, and then here, then a little bit here, down, and then a scope here. This and then this. Yeah, this looks enough. Yeah, just select all of them and click group, bring it a little bit here. Okay, this looks enough. Let's not make it like so pro-ish. So, and here we're going to bring the in events tab, bring when the green flag is clicked, and then here we're going to add some, what is it? Oh yes, forever loop, and then forever loop point towards mouse pointer, and either keep looking at the mouse pointer like this, be in a blank page, right? So we're going to add a backdrop. Let's see, hayfield. Bring these guys a little down, just bring a little bit more down. Yeah, this looks enough. And we're going to make a bullet. Let's say a bullet looks like we have to make it. So paint, bring a square here, and then use this pointer, zoom in, add one dot here by clicking, and bring it a little bit front. And then we're going to color it as a gradation. You can use this here. So we're going to swap this. The color should be like this color at the front. At the back, this color. Yeah, it looks better. So when it starts, the game starts, green flag is clicked, hide. It looks hide. and then bring forever in the sensing, mouse down, and forever it should be in the position of sprite 2 event forever. If mouse down, create clone of myself. When I start as a clone, point toward mouse pointer, and then forever it should be before it should be shown. Forever it should follow this line. So move 10 steps. Yeah, it'll be good. Let's try. It works, but it is not we really wanted. It should be always gone when it touches. So let's set the size to 10 like this. Yes, 10 is better. And then when it hits the war, it should be gone. So sensing, bring touching war, edge, and if conditioner, then bring delete this clone. Yeah, it works better. You see? But it's in front of them. So we're going to move it a little bit front. No, a little bit back. So go to back layer. Then it'll be here. But I really don't like how it works. Because you know, it spawns here in front of this. So we're going to move this a little bit back. Like this much. And bring this a little bit back. And it should work. It works now. It spawns in front of them. But you know, it keeps spawning like this. You know, you don't like it, right? In order to make this, if mouse is down, wait 1 second. And you'll see that it shoots one at a time. It's too big still. I'm just going to make it a little in the this. As you see, it spawns. The bullet spawns to slow 0.4 like this. Yes, we need a target. Oh, before that we need the sound. So let's record the sound. Not a pop sound. So record. Not this one. Okay, this looks good. Yes, it looks good. So sound, start sound. Still not good. A little bit like 0.1 second. Yeah, it looks good. Just let's make target paint and then change the color brighter and bring a target like this. That looks good. And then here bring another sphere right here like a person. And from now it's easy. use a paint tool and brightness to the 0. This, like this, this, the red dot and the part here. Size to 70. Yep. Bring it here. So we're going to make sprite. When it touches this target, it should be hidden. When it touches sprite 4, it should be hidden. What's the name? Cat body, head, and then bullet. And then it should be target. Yeah, it looks good. Just I want this to move up and down when it's clicked forever. We're going to set X to 150 like that. No, X to here. And Y to 0. And then if no, repeat 24 times. Change Y by 10. Y minus 10. So let's scale this a little bit down here from here. It's like this. No, not like this. Too big. A little bit down like this. No. Now it's good. Now, also, when it touches the bullet, you're going to destroy it. When clicked and clicked, we're going to add another forever. If touching the bullet, we're going to change the costume, duplicate it, and use fill method. Bring the color a little down to change this to color. Switch backdrop and switch costume to costume 2, and then after 1 second change it back to 1. The reason I use this, I will tell you now. The reason I did this, like I told you, because wait, when it contacts, it's not gone. So we're going to use touching the edge. So just I need one more thing. Let's make a cursor. Set it to 0. Bring the circular thingy and fill color to none. The outline color to black. And bring it in middle. Make something like this. A straight line. Put it inside. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, duplicate, turn this. And do it like this. And we need a red line in the middle. And it should work. When clicked, forever to the mouse pointer. Now it's there's a nice one. Set the size to 60 like this. And we've got a cursor. If you think the bullet is too slow, you can change it to 30 like this. Yeah, it looks way better. I really love it. So if you like this video, we're going to go to the next one. So you want to make a fun games? I will tell you how. Go to choose a sprite and get some bowls, delete the sprite, bring an apple, then let's make this apple first. So when green flag is clicked, forever. First it will be hidden, and then wait 1 second. Wait 1 second, then clone this sprite. And when I start as a clone, go to list here, Y 144, and X between 204 and one is negative 204 and 204. Pick random from negative 204 to 204. And then we'll make this shown. One second is too less, like 0.5 second. Okay, it is good. Forever, change Y by negative 10. Then every time it generates, it will be fallen. Oh, I did a mistake. It's not show, it's hide. So when it falls and it touches the edge, we're going to delete this. So control, touching edge, then delete this clone. And as you see, every time it touches the edge, it will be gone. So I want to create some other thing. So we are going to make this a variable called my points. And level. So we're going to delete my variable, and then in bowls, as like we did before, we're going to set size to 150, 130 like this. When green flag is clicked, forever, and then let's go to negative 140, 0. This looks good. And then set x2, there's mouse X, then it will be shown like this. Let's decrease the size of the apple. 80 is enough. Okay, now I'm going to send my bow. When the apple touches bow, it will be gone, and add a point. Duplicate this touching bowl. First, we're going to set our level and the points to 0 and 1. Level to 1. My points to 0. So every time we start the game, the level is going to be 1 and my points is going to be 0. So touching bowl, change my points by 1. Yes. And then we're going to add paint, and then we're going to set this as game manager. You can do it to the other sprites, but I like to make some management. So I'm just going to move this here. Game manager. So and then we're going to add forever if bring the my points value and then greater smaller first. My point is smaller than 1, 0. It's going to end the script. So stop all, and then duplicate this. And I'm just going to change this to greater than if my points is greater than 10. Set level to 2. And then if my points are greater than 20, it's going to be 3. If my points are greater than 25, let's see. If my 50, if it's greater than 75, 100. 그러니까 조용히 좀 해줄래? And greater than 200, we're going to change it to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yes, we did a mistake. We should change level. We should set the level, not change. Level to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is enough. As you see, it keep getting increased. So we're going to destroy the apple. If touching the bowl, no, we don't duplicate it. We have to destroy this clone, delete this clone. As you see, it's going to increase once and it's gone. And we're going to add a sound like, yes, this sound looks good. Let's change until dawn to star sound. Okay, now we are going to change the background. So we're going to add another one. Change this forever. We're going to just delete this. Control if and forever equal to, and then level is equal to 1. Then we're going to add some backgrounds until 6. We're going to use bench, another one, and then boardwalk, another one, desert, another one, canyon, another one. Let's use the slopes, another one, galaxy. Yes, so we have total 6 if you delete this. So switch backdrop to bandwidth view, duplicated, and if level is 2, switch backdrop to boardwalk. If level is 3, switch backdrop to desert. If level is 4, canyon. If level is 5, slopes. If level is 6, galaxy. As you see, as we get the point, the level changes, and as level changes, our background changes, and we have to make a penalty. If it touches this, it have to decrease 2. So decrease by -2. And then reverse, we are going to duplicate this and reverse the sound. Yes, we're going to use this sound, chomp sound, chomp 2. So this is good. And as level increases, our apples should fall faster to make it harder. So we are going to use apple, bring the change y by level, multiply level, and we're going to type here -10. And from now, as the point increases, the speed is increasing. And as I don't want, wait, I will change this to divide by 2. First I'm going to divide it, so it will be not the fast. Easy at the first time, right? Hard at the second time. Do not. And as the level increases, our apple falls faster, but slower than before. I also want the amount of apple increases. So it should multiply like this. 0.5. No, it is working in opposite. We want 0.5 divide by level times 3. This is actually not what I wanted. So it will divide Yeah, I think multiply is better. Multiply the level. No, it won't work. 5 divided by level. So it is 5. So 3 seconds. And it will probably work. So as this works, you'll see that our point is getting increased, and as the level increases, it gets faster. It's first time as this boring, so I'll just 1 by. And it works nice. Yeah, so this is all we got. So, and I'm just going to create one more thing. Not an apple, it's a bomb. So we're going to rotten apple, something like that. We're going to make it. So click it, ungroup, change the color to rotten color. It's like a greenish color, dark greenish color, like this color. So forever, if level is greater than 3, it will appear. Wait. 2 seconds. Create clone of myself. Bow. Touching bow, then -1. And it'll be 5. Like this is going to make the. And now this is going to make our game more harder. So you will see now. As the speed increases, as you see, the rotten apple comes out. And the sound should be different. So both of them chomp too. So this is how to make a game. So I'm just going to share this as an apple avoid and collect and avoid. And click share. Then you can play here. Right here you can click here and play as you want. It's going to be really fun. So try making the game, and if it's not working, check my video right here. My name is gltc.tutorial, and there we go. We've got a nice game.